Hi, today I have Samsung Galaxy A35 and I want to show you how set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, in the first step, swipe up the screen and go to the settings, where we look for our connections and their data usage. Now we click on binding styles and data warming, and now we can set it. First step, we can set day of each one when our binding cycle starts, maybe first day of each month when we set it. When we choose it, we click set to confirm that. There by the switch we can set data warming and set it in gigabytes, megabytes, what you need. And there we can set turn on set data limits and set it maybe 10 gigabytes. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.